then, I was also still learning about the cycle of I knew you couldn't grow carrots well, like, in June, like, sowing them in
Yeah.
June, like, I got that very, very hot. But I think I was just coming to terms with, like, the cooler weather, the better, not freezing. So I'm gonna go back now and look at some footage, but for the record, unless you have an impeachment, witness, yeah, they did wonderful.
I
I'm
mean,
getting a
that's
little
what every
cocky there.
gardener
Wonderful.
answers. Okay,
Mhm.
so we're going through the list. There's 17 vegetables. My proposal here is if we have one that's basically the same as the other one, we just mention it and then move on, okay?
Yeah.
But the next one is not one of those.
Okay.
Cucumbers. Would you start your cucumbers inside and transplant them?
Yes.
Me too. And as a matter of fact, that's the only way I'll do it.
Mm.
Yeah. Why? Roly polies. Because I'm tired of struggling with it. And again, if you start them and you don't let them get. So here's another trick that I have found. Now, you showed me that video earlier of your seed starting. Do you start everything in that size pot?
I know.
Okay.
Like 90 plus, like 8 out of 10 things I start there. Things like onions, I don't start in that size.
Okay. So it's because I was a bigger
Or
size. What
or
is that?
something like a cucumber. Hmm.
Is exactly. What is it? 2 by 2 or 3 by 3?
No, it's the ones that I showed you the video of. It's the smallest seed cell you can start in. Well, not the smallest, but the more traditional size. The larger ones, if you're looking at the video, like that are that size, that's what I would start a cucumber seed in.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's a little bit
So
larger. I don't know the math of it, the
that's
measurements.
been my key is just start them in a bigger container. And again, keep it out a month and you're going to be fine. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Just a bigger container because they do grow fast. And the thing is they
Yeah.
sell them at the stores, man. And when you buy them at the stores,
Yeah.
I guarantee you when they plant them at the greenhouse, they stick the seed in the soil, they water it, and they put it on the truck, and by the time it gets to you, it's germinating. I guarantee
Hmm.
you that's how it
Hmm.
works.
Yeah, they also sell carrot starts. I found, so you can't always trust that. But
Oh,
for the
really?
years, yeah, I've seen them. It's a
I've got
shame.
to go to the garden
It,
center and walk around.
it like a big, like a home improvement type garden center, not like a true garden center. Um, so for years, I only ever grew things that I bought as transplants, and I grew cucumbers from the very beginning. So two things quickly, so we can get down to like item 6 out of 200 that we have to go through today. So so for cucumbers, I've never really definitively said you have a healthier plant if it's direct sow compared to transplant, and that's not a garden experiment I'm interested in because I love a good garden experiment. That's not one of them. Um, Once you get to the point, if I had my way, I would direct sow most everything that you have on this list, hard stop, because it's less for me to manage indoors. But the sewing things and waiting for them to come up and trying to figure out, are they just not coming up because the weather doesn't allow it?
Yeah.
Did they come up and get eaten? Like, that's a whole dance. And so to have a plant, to know you have a plant in hand and then put it into the ground doesn't mean that something won't eat it. Um, at some point, I have to make the decision about some of these crops to say, I want more certainty in the
Yeah.
garden. And so being able to transplant that out makes that easier for me, gives
Absolutely.
you more of that certainty.
And that's the thing too, because you get into that dance
Hmm.
and you can waste a lot of time. Like, no, it just didn't
Yeah.
germinate yet. It just,
Yeah.
the reason why a lot of these aren't supposedly good is because they are fast growers. They
Hmm.
germinate quickly and they get big fast. So, and I was
That's
thinking
beautiful.
about this when you were talking about the carrot starts. I think I have two feelings about this. My initial reaction is it's disgusting and it's taking advantage of the customer. And then
Hmm.
as I thought about it for a second, I was like, you know what? Actually, I don't think it's terrible because starting carrots from seed is not easy. And if you don't know how to grow carrots, I think it's a great way to enter into that space. So
Hmm.
I don't fully support it, but I get, and that's not the intention why they're doing it. The
Yeah.
intention is to get your money and rip you off. But look, y'all got to game the system, man. You got to learn how to work it.
Yeah.